Hello everyone, I am Ramjan Begam, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture, let's see the Kepler's law and Newton's law in the satellite communication. Satellite or spacecraft orbiting the Earth follow the same laws that rule the motion of the planets around the Sun. Kepler's law apply quite generally to bodies in space which interact through gravitation. Let's see the Kepler's first law. Kepler's first law said the path followed by the satellite around the primary will be an ellipse. Here you can see the figure. The length of the x-axis is major axis, which is equal to 2a, then half of the major axis is a. The length of the y-axis is minor axis, which is equal to 2b, then half of the minor axis is called b. The ellipse has two focal points, which is named f1 and f2. The center of the f1 and f2 is called barycenter. Here we can see the eccentricity formula. Eccentricity E equal to root of a square minus b square divided by a. The E value is from 0 to 1. When E equal to 0, the orbit is circular. When E equal to 1, the orbit is parabola. When E less than 1, the orbit is ellipse. Let's see the Kepler's second law. It is also known as equal area law. Let's see the law. For equal time interval, a satellite will sweep out equal areas in its orbital plane focused at the barycenter. Let us consider a satellite travel a distance x1 and x2 meters in 1 second. Then the area A1 and A2 will be equal. But the velocity x2 less than x1. You can see the figure. Here you can notice the area A1 and A2 and then distance x1 and x2. The x1 and x2, a satellite travels a distance x1 and x2 meters in second. Then area A1 and A2 will be equal. Then Kepler's third law. This is also known as law of period. The square of the periodic time of orbit is proportional to the cube of the mean distance between the two bodies. The formula for Kepler's third law is a cube equal to mu divided by n square, where n is mean motion of the satellite in radian per second, mu is Earth's geocentric gravitational constant, which have value of 3.986005 into 10 power 14 meter cube per second square, and the orbital period is given by p equal to 2 pi by n. From the period formula, we can get the n value. N equal to 2 pi by p. Let's see Newton's law. Newton's law of universal gravitation, Newton's law of motion. These laws are used to represent the orbital mechanism of satellite communication. The Newton's first law. This is also known as law of inertia. An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted by an unbalanced force. The gravitational force of attraction between two bodies is proportional to the product of their masses m and m, and that is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let's see the formula. F is proportional to m into m divided by r square. Let us eliminate the proportionality. For eliminating the proportionality, we have to insert a constant. So let's insert a constant g, that is F equal to minus g mm divided by r square. Let's see the Newton's second law. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. Acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the force acting on it. That is, F is directly proportional to A. We have to eliminate the proportionality, so we have to include a constant, that is m. So F equal to ma. Let's see the Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that for every force, there is a reaction force that is equal in size but opposite in direction. This is to say that whenever an object pushes another object, it gets pushed back in the opposite direction equally hard. Thank you.